Hey guys, it's me Anirban and back here with another brand new video on my channel. In this video I will show you an interesting thing that how can you use your Alexa device to make your home smart. That is, you can give voice commands and you can control all your home appliances and all those stuffs like that. And so if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe it so that whenever I post these kind of videos you will get notified. And so just sit back, relax, grab a cup of coffee, and without wasting any more time, let's get started. The gadgets about which I will be discussing in today's video, I had already made all those unboxing videos of those items separately on my channel. If you haven't checked it out yet, you will find those links in the description box down below. And if you want to purchase any one of those items, you will also find the purchase link in my description box down below. And so let's start this video. Okay, so many of you already use this kind of Alexa devices for yourself, or some of you might be thinking of buying this kind of Alexa devices for yourself. And so in this video I will be showing you some extra features that these Alexa devices offers you, rather than apart from those telling your Alexa device that to play a song or any other doing all those stuffs like that, like asking questions or any current affairs, all those stuffs it does very well. But it is very much new that you can even control any of your home appliances. For example, it can be your lights, as well as your any other appliances that you use, your computer, your laptop charger, anything you can control with your voice commands by telling Alexa all those things. And that's why in this video I will show you all those things and how you can set up all those things, that is the applications and all those stuffs like that. And so in that case, first of all you need to purchase one smart bulb. That is, you can purchase any company smart bulb, that is it can be of any brand. For example, you can go for the Wipro, Cisco, or anything like that. You have to purchase any kind of smart bulbs for that which works with Alexa. And next one, you have to purchase a smart plug. You will get this smart plug in Amazon as well. But if you are a new user, that is if you want to buy the Alexa device for the first time, then I would rather suggest you buy that combo deal that comes with this Alexa 4th generation. In that case you don't need to purchase those things, that is the Alexa device as well as those smart plugs or bulbs separately. But if you purchase their combo pack, then it will be a much better option for you. And I will be showing you everything in this video and how you can set up all those things. And so let's start. I was talking about this kind of combo deal that you can go for. That is, if you are a new user, you can definitely go for this kind of combo deal which Amazon offers to you. That is, you can buy the 4th generation Echo Dot along with this 12-watt LED smart bulb from Wipro. And if at first you go for this kind of combo deal, and after that if you want this kind of bulbs, more this kind of bulbs you require, then you can purchase it according to your choice. That is, how many bulbs that you want to use, you can separately purchase them as well and connect it with your Alexa and use it. But if you are a new user, then you must definitely try out this combo deal, because if you separately purchase this Alexa Echo Dot and then you purchase it separately, then it will be a higher price option. That is, here as you can see that it is around 3,799 rupees. But if you separately buy them, then it will be a much higher price. So it is advisable that you go for this combo deal. And also please make sure that I will be providing this link in my description box down below, and so you can directly check it out from there as well. Okay, so first of all let me show you how these things actually work. First, you need to tell your Alexa to turn on your smart bulb. That is, you can rename your smart bulb according to your room where you are using it. For example, if you are using your smart bulb, that is, this one is a smart bulb, as you can see. If you are using it in your TV room or living room, then you can name it as TV room light. If you are using it in your editing room or something like that, then you can give it a name, that is turn on my studio lights, all those stuff. And let me show you how it actually works. Alexa, turn on my TV room light. Okay, so as you can see that using your voice command, you can even control all those stuffs like that. You can even change color depending on which bulb you are using. That is, for example, let me show you how it works. Alexa, change my TV room light color to blue. Okay, so here as you can see that if you give voice commands, then it can also change the light color as well according to your choice. Alexa, change my TV room light color to white. Alexa, change my TV room light color to yellow. Okay, so as you can see that it goes on changing. Whichever light you want, you can set it according to your choice. And how you can use that smart plug, I will show you in this video. Plug, that is, the Amazon already provides you a smart plug with that combo deal. If you buy that combo deal, about which I have talked earlier, and if you buy that combo deal, you will also get that Amazon smart plug. You can control it using your Alexa device. All you need to do, whichever appliance that you are using, that is, it can be anything, that is your washing machine, refrigerator, or anything like that. If you use any those appliances with that plug, you need to rename that plug as that is that device name. That is, you can use that device name to rename your plug. That is, if you are using your plug with your refrigerator, then you need to rename that plug name as refrigerator, so that whenever you tell that Alexa turn on the refrigerator or turn on the AC and all those things like that, it will turn it on automatically and you don't need to worry about that. But secondly, the most helpful thing about this smart plug is that if you don't own any smart devices, that is, nowadays some fans, some other appliances come with inbuilt Alexa control, but it is not that case that you need to purchase all those appliances for that. But if your devices are not smart devices, that is, you are using any other ordinary fan, any other ordinary refrigerator, anything like that, all you need to do is to just plug that Alexa Alexa smart plug to your refrigerator and then plug it to your mains, and it will work. And all you need to do is to give your voice commands, and it will automatically turn on your refrigerator, it will automatically turn off your refrigerator. Everything will be done using your voice commands. But in that case, please make sure that you always turn on the mains, because if you don't turn on the mains, then it will not work. Because if the power supply is not there, then it will not at all work for your refrigerator or any other home appliance that you are using. So please make sure that whenever you are using these kind of devices, similarly in case of this smart bulb as well, if you are using this smart bulb, please make sure that you always turn on the switch. Whenever you are not using it, whenever you are using it, you need to turn it on always. For these kind of devices, whether it is a plug or a bulb or any other devices you are using, you always need to turn on that mains, so that whenever you give command, it will actually, the plug here acts as a controller. That is, it will control whenever you tell something, it will allow the current to pass through your refrigerator, and so your refrigerator will turn on. And whenever you say Alexa turn off my refrigerator, whenever the plug understand that it is not you are telling that Alexa device to turn it off, so whenever you are doing so, it will automatically turn it off, and you are good to go. So please make sure that you always turn that main switch on to control all these devices. As you can see that I am using that Alexa smart plug with my computer, and so whenever I give any kind of commands to turn it on, it will automatically turn on my computer. Let me show you how it works. Alexa, turn on my computer. Okay, so here as you can see that whenever I gave command to Alexa, it automatically turned on my computer, because that plug which I will be showing you is renamed as my computer. So whenever I tell my computer, it will automatically turn on my computer because the plug is named as my computer. Okay, so now let me show you how it actually works. First of all, you buy any of these smart appliances or any other sorts of like that is the bulb or something like that. Then after you do so, first of all you need to download Amazon Alexa. This application you have to download from the Play Store or the App Store, and now just click on it, and here you will find at the bottom side you will find devices. Just click on it. This is I am showing you that how you can pair the smart bulb or the plug for the first time. Okay, so after that you have to click on this plus icon, you have to click on it. Here you will find these options, that is add device. Here it says Echo, smart home and accessories, and you can even create group, that is if you are using a lot of devices, you can sort them into a particular group and use them, and you can even combine all those speakers if you have. I am not going in those details now. Here first of all click on the add device option. You have to click on it. Now you have to turn on that smart plug or that smart bulb, whichever you have to turn it on. And then from here you have to click on, if you are using any light of any brand, then you have to click on this light, and from here you will find all those companies that provide that bulb which are compatible with Alexa. For example, here as you can see that all those lights, that is Cisco, Wipro. I am currently using the Wipro bulb. If you are using any other, you have to search it from these options, but if you don't get any of these, then you have to click on others, and then after you turn that bulb on for the first time, it will automatically catch up and you are good to go. This is how the actually setup works. I have already set the smart bulb for myself, so I am not doing it once again. Here for example, if you are using any plug that I have told you, you have to click on this plug option. From here you will find that these brands also offer Alexa smart plugs apart from Amazon itself. I personally use the Amazon plug. It is better to use the Amazon original plug with your Alexa device, or you can even purchase any other brands also. All you need to do is to, if you are using Amazon plug, then click on it, and from here here as it says that connect your Amazon plug to Alexa. All you need to do is to turn on your Bluetooth, camera and location for all those things, and then you have to click on next. And after that your device will keep on searching for that device, and after it gets that device, it will catch it and automatically it will get stored with your any kind of name or something like that. If you use any name, that is for example I used to name that smart plug as my computer, you can even set it according to your choice. And here you will find that as I have already set it up, after you set up your device, you will find that this kind of devices shelf will come, this kind of shelf. If you click on lights, here you can see that I am currently using two lights, that is the TV room light which I showed you, and another one is the dining room light. As you can see that I have renamed these lights as by this name only, and here as you can see that the plug that I am using, I have renamed it as my computer. If you are using it with any refrigerator, you will rename it as my refrigerator. If you are using it as a camera charger or any other sorts of like that, like laptop charger or something like that, then you need to customize it and call it or rename it as your laptop charger or something like that. Here actually it works like this, and this is how you can set up your smart devices with your Alexa, so that whenever you give any kind of voice commands, it will automatically turn it on or turn it off. Well, now one thing which may come in your mind, that why should we purchase these kind of smart bulbs or smart plugs, and now the smart switches are also there. You can definitely purchase them from Amazon or Flipkart. Those smart switches also work with Alexa. And so why should we purchase these kind of smart bulbs or smart plugs? The first thing is that this will make your room much more better. That is, you can use your voice commands to do all those stuffs like switching on your fan, switching on your lights and all those stuffs like that. You can control it using your voice command. Secondly, it reduces accidents. That is, whenever you are getting in a dark room, sometimes it is not possible for us to find out the switches and turn the lights on. You can definitely tell at that time, you can definitely tell Alexa to turn on the lights, and she will do that, and you are good to go. Sometimes it reduces accidents as well. That is, whenever you are getting into a dark room, you can't see the floor, or the floor is not visible. If something is there on the floor or something like that, you may get fallen, or it might hurt your legs. All those stuffs can happen, and to do those kind of stuffs, to avoid those kind of stuffs, basically you can definitely purchase these kind of smart plugs or smart bulbs, as it makes our job much more easier, and it also helps us to remain safe in these kind of situations. And third is that sometimes during winter season it becomes very much uncomfortable for us to get up from our bed and turn on the lights or turn off the fan, and you can definitely do it by telling Alexa. So these are the some of the steps that you can follow, and so this is all those stuff that you can do with Alexa. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and I catch you guys in the next one. So hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video and found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button and share this video with all those people whom you know who are interested in buying these kind of electronic gadgets for themselves. And thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next one.